Hi guys, Yolandi here from Vent Company, your ventilation specialist. And today we're going to have a look at how to start therapy, i.e. ventilation, and end therapy on the Luisa ventilator from Lowenstein Medical. So you've already calibrated your oxygen cell and you've done your circuit test. Now you can connect your circuit to your patient and start the therapy. When therapy starts, it will start with the settings that was previously on the machine. But that's not a problem. You can start your therapy and then you can adjust while the patient's being ventilated to make sure that the patient is getting the most support that it can. So I'm going to press the start therapy button. You'll hear our machine starting to ventilate with our test lung. You'll see these values. If you want to adjust the ventilation parameters, you'll have to unlock the screen and you'll have to go to the ventilation icon. You can choose different modes. Let's change the mode to PSV and you can adjust your settings accordingly. So you scroll, you choose which you want and you confirm and it's automatically adjusted. If you want to end therapy, you press the end therapy button, which is located in the same place as the start therapy button. You press it, you hold it in until it shows this screen and you press OK and therapy will be stopped. This has been a quick overview of how to start therapy and end therapy on the Luisa ventilator from Lowenstein Medical. Thanks for watching guys, and I see you soon.